Okay, here we are at the portable light durability test. Durable, why? You see the truck. So here are some brands. We got the Tool Lux brand. What I'm going to do is turn it on just to show that it's working. Turn it back off. Then here we got the EcoZone. And so the EcoZone, I'm going to turn on and turn off. And here is the Lighting Ever. Lighting Ever, I'm going to turn on and turn off. And then here's the DeWalt version. And these are all portable lights. You know, put a battery in them, take them where you want to use them. Some are bigger than the others, but they're all meant to be portable. So there's the DeWalt. And then over here, we got the Makita. Makita is on. And then I click it again, it gets a flashlight. And then I'm going to turn it off. And then here's the Festool version. It's got 6 LED lights. Turning that on, turning it off. Well, sorry, it's 2 stages. Bright, now it's off. Now what we're going to do, yes, we're going to run over all of the lights. And obviously I can't drive. I need to talk to you people. So my buddy here is going to run over all the lights. So we're good to go. Okay. Alright, so let's see what happened out of this mess. Let's see if we can turn anything on. Hey, this one actually turned on. All of the stuff is broken off. This was the Tool Lux. Here's the EcoZone. Let's see what we got here. That turned on. Whoa, this doesn't look good. This looks like the Lighting Ever is not... Sorry, the on switch is a little crushed in there. So the Lighting Ever is not ever lighting. And here's a DeWalt. That was a big bright light, but it doesn't look like it's in working zone. And now that's done. And I think that's for the DeWalt. And here we go for the Makita. Makita's on. And let me find our Festool. Surprisingly, the Festool is the only one that didn't suffer any physical damage. That's turned on, bright, dim for battery saving, and off. So there you go. That's durability test. Some of the lights make it on, some don't, and some retain their structural integrity. So yeah, the only one that seems totally undamaged is the Festool one. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that show. Thanks. Okay. try some water tests because we got ones that are working. Let's go over here for the start at the beginning of the line with the tool lux. You see that one's pretty crushed. I'm a little hesitant to dip that in the water, but I'm going to do it and not be connected to it. Okay, that was on. It's on. So that seems to be good. It's crushed from the side. And this one, I think we had it on. We're going for the water. And it's on. Turn this off. This one wasn't working, the DeWalt Makita was working. So let's put that in the water. It's working. Flashlight part's working. And let's go with Festool. Okay, there's on, bright. Working. Dim. And off. So there we go. So that was the durability test. Half of them made it, and one or two of them made it without being destroyed. Festool was definitely one of them. There's something shaking in the Makita, but it seems to be working fine. All the rest got crushed. Some of them work in the water, some of them don't. There you go. Okay, here we go with phase 2 of the portable light, work light durability test. We got the survivors, the ones that remained kind of intact through the whole thing. We got the EcoZone, we got the Makita, and we got the Festool. So we got 3 lights left that are worth working with. And what we're going to do is just run over them again, see which one's making. So my buddy here is going to run over them again. Whenever you're ready, sir. Well, that didn't sound good. Let's see what happened here. The EcoZone is, I think as you can see now, the EcoZone is going to have to be recycled. Let's see here, the Makita. Makita is working. I'm not really sure whether it got run over because it looked like the EcoZone kind of took the brunt of everything on there. The Makita and the Festool, yeah, they sort of got to ride along on that one because I think it skipped right over the top of the EcoZone that crushed it. So we might have to do a phase 3, which means we got 2 contenders left. So let's line these things up, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, phase 3, portable light durability test. You know, we're feeling like we need to run through it a little bit because I think the EcoZone light, you know, took one for the hill and dove on that grenade, and we couldn't get all the pressure on the other 2. EcoZone is now recyclable material, but here we're going to do the Makita, which got left in the phase 2 test, and the Festool, both got left in the phase 2 test. And now we're going to try it one more time, so I can have my friend please go ahead and run those things over. Okay. So we got phase 2 test. Looks like some physical damage to the Makita so far. The light is on, and the flashlight's history. So we got 50% function and a broken Makita. And here's the Festool. Here it's on bright, on battery saving, and off. It's definitely scratched up, but there's no physical damage. So there we go. The winner